Okay, so during your brewing session, okay,
Yeah.
on weekends, how do you make your coffee water?
It's just third wave water. Third wave water,
Okay.
cut in half.
Okay.
So it's sitting right around 75 ppm. And Jesse, I saw your message. I have not found the V1 or the V2 of the
Okay.
Oria yet. But yeah, it's third wave water, cut to half dosage.
Okay. So
Um,
you haven't played with your own water yet, then?
I have, I have, I have.
Okay.
I've made my own waters before, but I mean, the third wave water is really great. It provides great balance. It's really easy, and it's replicable every single time with just a simple packet. And so it's the most simple way. Because I mean, I go through jugs of this stuff, so it's just easier to use third wave water.
Okay. So you've been using third wave water. So you use what? Half pack for a gallon of water.
Yeah. So what I do is yeah, Justin, I do half dose. That brings your ppm levels to 75,
Okay.
right around there. But so if you were to cut it volumetrically, you actually don't get the same content of minerals diluted into your water. So what I like to do is either dump the whole packet into a gallon of distilled water and then
Mix it.
distribute it accordingly, or I like to make a little concentrate of it and then distribute it accordingly to get to 75 ppm or somewhere around
Okay.
there.
So that's how you do it. Okay. So
Yeah.
you just use the third wave water and just do that in half, and then you got a pretty good success with it then.
Oh yeah. I mean, full
Okay.
full dosage of the classic profile for third wave water, I think is fantastic for darker roasts. But for lighter roasts, it actually brings out a lot of like umami flavors and
Yeah.
it mutes acidity, mutes sweetness, and so those are not the flavors that I'm looking to showcase. And so that's why I've just cut it by half.